Okay, guys, this is part 4 of destroying this Angry Bird thing I built. And this is what you've all been waiting for. Part 4, where we're going to be using Chewbacca and the bouncy ball, and my brother's going to be shooting all the birds anywhere. Just anywhere he wants.
Okay.
The slings are set up.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Okay. And we're going to be doing this. Destroying these pigs, which are in the ATA thing. And, we ready, Liam?
Yeah.
Okay, get them on the slings.
Okay.
And, okay, redo for Chewbacca. And that did nothing, but the bouncy ball got these two. So, we're actually not going to stop going with this, but we're going to do the bouncy ball again. And that took out one pig. One more. Could you start slinging, Ray? You can't do 3 at a time on these. So just start slinging. And that did nothing. I need to get that away. And that did nothing. So what we're going to do for the last pig, just knock him out with the ball. And once all the birds are going, I know what I'm going to do with 3 of them. I can do 3. Okay, maybe only 2. But it's pretty cool. If you have all of these and these small ones, you can put 2 in and they'll both shoot at the same time. We just have one bird to do it.
No, I do it.
And
I do it.
okay, this guy won't work on there, so last one. And bye, guys. The videos should be uploaded all on the same day, same month and stuff. So bye.